Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Pulley login issues, company access errors step by step clearly. Start by checking your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for accessing online platforms. Next, verify that you are entering the correct website URL. Make sure there are no typos in the address. If you're using an old bookmark, try typing the URL manually. Clear your browser cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. Try accessing the platform using a different web browser. Sometimes, specific browsers may cause compatibility issues. If possible, restart your device to refresh your system. This can help eliminate temporary glitches. Ensure that your device's software is up to date. An outdated operating system or browser can lead to access problems. Check if your organization has specific access policies in place. Sometimes, access requires special permissions or VPNs. If you are on a shared network, verify if any settings are blocking access. Network restrictions can prevent you from logging in. Review the login credentials you are using. Confirm that your username and password are correct. Use the Forgot Password feature if you're unsure. This can help you regain access quickly. If you receive an error message, take a screenshot. Documenting the issue can assist in troubleshooting. Contact your IT support team for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the issue. If you are experiencing, sometimes login issues are related to server maintenance. Be patient while waiting for resolution from your IT team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.